Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm back again. Um, Things aren't as good as they were as of this morning. Had a little accident, and the following video is going to show you what I was doing. I was testing the FreeFlight Pro app. I was testing the AR Pro 3 app, and I was testing the Auriga Bebop app. I wanted to see which one would work, and I knew probably that I didn't want to use FreeFlight Pro because it has some issues with my tablet. So I was just testing which one would I rather use. And the following video is a summary of that. Actually, it's the actual testing going on. And you'll see that I decided not to use the Auriga Bebop, and you'll see why. So stay tuned, and let's sit back and watch the video. Okay, I'm going to try all three apps that work to fly my Bebop 2. So I'm headed out to turn on the drone. So that it can have a position, and I have uninstalled and reinstalled the FreeFlight Pro. So we're going to turn on the Sky controller, and it should bring up, I should be able to choose which one I want. I'm going to choose FreeFlight Pro. So I'll close that and go up here and hit FreeFlight Pro and answer yes. And answer, okay, now it's going to connect to a drone, hopefully. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to turn off Sky Controller. And I'm going to go in, and I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi. And I'm going to turn off, where's Bluetooth? Is Bluetooth on there? Bluetooth is off. Okay. Come on, clear. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to turn on Sky Controller. Sky Controller. And it's going to ask me to turn on my app. I'm going to turn on that. Answer yes. Ah, finally it's connecting. Now I turned off Wi-Fi, so that might make a difference. And to continue, okay. No thanks, I don't want that. Okay, looks like we've got a signal here. So we'll go ahead and take off. And we'll go up a little higher and back up. And we're going to go over to the left a little bit. Okay, now it's got me in the picture. That's weird. It's getting the fluorescent lights. We're going to go to settings. And everything, probably got everything out of the Bebop. And it's drifting a little bit to the right, so we're going to drift it back. Oh, interesting. We don't have any control when we're in settings. So we'll go back to settings, or get out of settings. Get it over here. Back it up a little bit. Get over to the left a little bit more. Okay. Now go back into settings. And I want to do the show mini-map. So we'll hit that. And we'll go back. And it just died. So now we know that it still doesn't work with showing the mini-map, no matter what we do. So the next thing we're going to do is going to bring up AR Pro 3. Well, first of all, I need to bring the Bebop down. I can do it without the app and land it. Okay, and turn that off. Turn off Sky Controller. Okay, now we're going to try the AR Pro 3, which we have just uploaded. And I should make sure that we have Wi-Fi turned off. Yes, we do. And Bluetooth, yes. All right, we're going to go here, and we're going to hit AR Pro 3. And I've been having trouble with the, oh great. All right, so we're going to cancel that. And we got to go into settings. And we got to go to general settings, I think. And we got to go to, let me see here. Flight controller. Screen orientation, that's what we want. And we want it to be sensor based. And that should flip us around. We can go back out of there. Get back. And that should flip us around. And we should be able to, well, let's just how come we can't get to where we want to go here? We'll turn it off and start it. Oh, we got to get rid of FreeFlight Pro. Okay. So we're going to start all over again. Going to turn off Sky Controller. All right, Sky Controller is off. We're going to turn it back on again. It's going to give us a choice. We're going to go to AR Pro. Going to say yes. And there we have come on, there we go. Okay, we understand. And so far we don't have the green screen that we were getting, so that would be nice if it would just stay away. So we're going to go ahead and take off. This is looking good. I'm not getting that green screen I was getting before. We'll go up. All right, this is looking good because I was getting okay. I'm going to send it down. There goes the car. Low battery. That's right, I'm using a low battery here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Okay, we got a new battery, and that thing wants to go upside down for some reason. No, it's okay. We're going to go ahead and close that out. Come on, close. Close, close, close. Okay, and we got our Bebop going again. We're going to turn on Sky Controller. We're going to use the Auriga Bebop, which has a lot of neat features, and we're going to say okay. We want Sky Controller 2, and it's working on it here. Okay. Now this is pretty cool. It doesn't work on my phone too well. Well, maybe they've upgraded it, but anyway, we got 94% on both of them, and you can see the heads up, and this is set for miles per hour and feet, which is a nice thing about this app. So we're going to try to fly with it here. Whoa, that's fast. Yeah, this is the mode where this is nice. I like this. Okay, so we're going to go up fast, and we're going to turn left. Ooh, fast. We're going to go down the road. Way down the road. Okay, down the road we go. Gonna look down a little bit here. Ooh, we're losing it already. Way up there. Oh, we lost it. All right, so now we're going to come back.